find the over-the-counter list for properties that went to the tax deed sale and did not sell for Orange County, Florida. So we're on my website here, buyingtaxdeeds.com, on the county links page. So if we're doing Orange County, we're going to use this one, TD auction. Actually, no, TD county page is what we want to use, the county's tax deed page. So we're going to go down to Orange. We're going to click this link. It's going to take us to Orange County Comptroller. And look at that, lands available for taxes, all the instructions, but we just come over here, hit the disclaimer, and then over here, hit lands available, any date, and hit search. So we see they have 3 properties on here. This is your lands available list. You would just come on in here, copy the parcel ID number, and we're going to open up another page and go to the property appraiser. And we're going to look to see what this is. We're going to put it right here, parcel ID, search. Okay, so this is a condominium. And you want to be careful with the condos because sometimes they're units that do not exist. Let's see here. Undefined something or another. There's no building associated with this parcel because it's a condo, but it doesn't tell you how many bedrooms, bath, or anything. Nothing here either, but it tells you it is 102 square feet. So more than likely this is probably nothing. So we're going to pull up the map, and there it is, that little sliver right back there. You don't want that. Let's go under base map, oops, and hit 2025 aerial. You can see it's just that little sliver. That is not even a condo. Just a little sliver of land right there. Let me close this. I don't think it's going to let us zoom in any further. We can only zoom out. But we can see it's an itty bitty little sliver. Not interested. Okay, so then you'd hit back. Do the same thing on this one and this one. So that's how you find it for Orange County. Now, if you're interested in learning how to buy and do all the due diligence on these properties, this is Sandra Edmond, the Queen of Tax Deeds. I teach you how to do that. Go to my website, buyingtaxdeeds.com. I teach students and investors from all over the country how to do this.